Hi, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to first set up your Note 10 Plus. And the first screen, you're gonna choose the language that you want to get on your phone. Okay, let's forward. Connect to Wi-Fi. Agreed all the terms. Bring your old data for quicker setup. You can download the data from your old phone. If yes, you can look on the other of my video on my channel, the operation Smart Switch. Search it and there I'll show you how to import data from all your phone. For now we're gonna skip it for now. Choose the Wi-Fi which you want to connect. Write the password, connect. Next. Phone is now checking for updates. If there be any, he ask me or download some. Okay, now you can sign in to Google account. I'm gonna skip it now. Google service, more and accept. You can here protect your phone with the face recognition, fingerprint, pattern, PIN, password. Or if you don't want to protect your phone, just click it not now, skip anyway. The recommended apps to download on your phone. You can sync it to Samsung account if you wish. If not, just skip it. And all done. As you see, just finish him. Done. And that's it. Your first setup on your phone is already done. In my other video I'm gonna show you many of options of the Note 10. So if you want, check my channel and search for Note 10 to see others video. For now, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe. And see you by next video. Hey!